aware that his wife was pregnant, allegedly. It looks like an argument over rent, that he lost control, that he grabbed her hair, he pulled her to the floor, he hit her multiple times about the body and the face with
All right, this is case number 240-595-0301. Michigan versus Rafael Dejan Brown. Appearances, please.
Lisa Coyle appearing on behalf of the people.
And Lorena Bejana appearing on behalf of Mr. Brown, who waives this formal reading, stands mute, and understands his constitutional rights.
We're a not guilty plea on behalf of your client. I've got them married, but they live at different addresses. Is that accurate reading, counsels?
That is what I see.
Okay, so they're arguably separated. What's your bond recommendation, Mrs. Coyle?
Your Honor, I'm asking for $10,000 cash surety with a tether, in the sense that I don't see a criminal history for Mr. Brown, but I do note that the complainant, Ms. Ware, is pregnant. She's 4 months pregnant per the report, and the defendant was aware that his wife was pregnant, allegedly. It looks like an argument over rent, that he lost control, that he grabbed her hair, he pulled her to the floor, he hit her multiple times about the body and the face with a wooden stick, as it's described. There was a witness that had to intervene to stop him, but apparently it didn't stop him because he went looking for a weapon, a gun. And then at some point they're outside, he hits her with a rake, he pushes her against the house, and he hits her multiple times in the head and neck area. At some point again, he then grabs a knife, he attempts to stab her, and he stabs the door. Officers do observe bruising and scratching to her throughout her body. The gun was recovered from a bedroom. The wooden stick was recovered from the scene, and it appears that she has heard APA note that a PPO has been served after his arrest, Your Honor. So based on the dangerousness to his wife, the fact that he knew at the time she was pregnant and assaulted her, and we have evidence of that in fact that she was there was bruising and scratching throughout her body. The weapons were recovered, as she had stated in the IR. So for those reasons, Your Honor, we're asking for that cash surety bond with a tether, no contact. Thank you.
John?
Your Honor, I'm going to ask for personal bond in this matter, and I'm going to object to tether. My client has no KPS history that I'm aware of, and it's because I'm not aware of any criminal history. He has no other pending cases right now. He does have one child. He does some odd jobs and home improvement. And I would like to note the fact that I don't have any records of any hospitalization by the complaining witness in this case. So I would ask for that personal bond, Your Honor.
John, do you know how long they've been married?
Mr. Brown, how long have you been married, sir?
Since February of this year.
Your Honor, I will note, and for Ms. Bejan as well, that on the complainant's statement, that address, that is the Stahelin address, is the address she gives as her address. And I don't know why he gives a separate address, but that's all I can see from the report.
Ms. Bejan, since they've been married since February, have they been residing together since February, or do you know?
Mr. Brown, do you reside at a separate address right now than the complaining witness?
Not as of that day.
Let me ask you this, Mr. Brown. Is there another address you can stay at that is not with the complaining witness?
Yes.
Okay.
And you say there's odd jobs, Ms. Bejan?
Yes, Your Honor. There's some odd jobs in home improvement.
What was the dollar amount you were requesting, Mrs. Coyle?
I was asking for 10,000 cash surety, please.
Married since February. some ambiguity as to whether they live together or not. Oh, here's Judge Williams. Okay, great. I'm going to adopt the recommendation of the people: $10,000 cash surety, GPS tether, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew. Can't go back to the Stahelan address. No contact with Lee Square. Cannot have any handguns, firearms, or other dangerous weapons.
And what's the curfew, Your Honor? I did not hear it.
9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew.
This would be unaffordable, Your Honor.
Okay. Bond redetermination here Monday, September 23rd, 9 a.m. for the Chief Judge McConico. Probable cause September 27th, preliminary examination October 4th, both in front of Judge King. Like I said, I find that the defendant is a danger, a clear conviction of the danger to the community, particularly his wife in this matter. Anything else that either counsel wants to put on the record?
Nothing, Your Honor.
further.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Judge Williams is present. Bring out Arthur Bell, please.
Good afternoon, everybody.